Hello everyone, so if you want to erase the object on your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, you are to open up your gallery and choose the photo which you want to erase object from, right? So I'll choose this one. Now at the bottom row you are to find your pencil icon, this edit icon, and now let's find our lapse icon. It looks like this, right here at the bottom. Find your object eraser, tap on it. You can automatically erase shadows and erase reflections, or you can tap and draw anything around anything which you want to erase. So for now, I'll erase this cute buddy. So let's draw around him. Let the AI do its job and now press erase. And as you see, he was successfully erased. If you're satisfied with the result, simply press done and press save. Press save. And boom, now you've got your new photo on. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.